Today would have seen it was lovely and warm, Carol, wasn't it? Morning.
Good morning. It was actually the warmest day of the year so far, Lou, so yes, you're quite right. Although some areas did hang on to a bit more cloud. 26 was reached in St James's Park in London, but today parts of eastern and southeastern England could see 28 or even 29, so topping that. But for all of us today, it's going to be dry, it's going to be sunny, and it is going to be warm or very warm. The exception to that is across the far north of Scotland in Shetland, where we do have some rain courtesy of this weather front. High pressure is still firmly in charge, keeping this weather front at bay for now, but it's also pulling up all this warm or very warm air from the near continent across the board. So first thing this morning, it's a mild start for most, although chillier across parts of Wales, the West Midlands and also the West Country. For you, temperatures of around 5 to 6. For the rest of us, they're in the high single figures or the low teens. And we've also got some mist and fog across parts of the west. That will tend to lift through the morning and linger along the coast of Northern Ireland and western Scotland. But apart from that, it is going to be sunny. Hazy at times. You might see a wee bit more cloud in East Anglia through the afternoon, and it could produce an isolated shower, but that really will be the exception rather than the rule. So anywhere from South and East Yorkshire down this east coast towards the Wash, East Anglia into the southeast, we could hit that figure of 28, possibly 29. Widely, we're looking at the low to the mid-20s. Out towards the west, there'll be a little bit more cloud at times, which is why your temperatures aren't going to be quite as high. But nonetheless, for the time of year, it still will feel fairly pleasant. Needless to say, with all this sunshine, UV levels are high across most of the UK. Now, through this evening and overnight, we lose the rain in Shetland. We are left with low cloud and some mist and fog, and then this weather front comes in from the west, introducing more cloud and some rain. The heaviest rain on its northern flank. On its southern flank, we're likely to see some showers, and they could prove to be thundery in the southeastern quarter, clearing through the afternoon, and then for all of us again behind that, we'll be back into some sunshine. Temperatures 26, possibly 27, somewhere in the southeast, but you can see a little bit lower out towards the west, and that's because our next system is approaching from the west for Friday. Now, this is a deeper area of low pressure with its weather fronts, bringing rain west to east across the UK, again the heaviest in the north of the country, and we're also looking at strong winds. Gusts 50-60 miles an hour, in the hills more than that, across Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. Now, this might present some issues because, of course, the trees are in full bloom at the moment, so we'll keep you posted about that. But as we come south, it won't be as windy, it's going to be warmer, it will be drier, and it's also going to be sunnier. So 20 degrees in London compared to 13 degrees in Stornoway. Then as we head through the weekend, the northern half of the country still quite wet and windy at times. Parts of Scotland will have by then seen in excess of 100 millimetres of rainfall. But one promising thing is, if you like it that bit warmer, the temperatures are all starting to rise once again, having taken a dip through the weekend. Lou and Dan.
Thank you for that little look ahead. Thank you.
I'll have a bit of orange and yellow on the map. Are you going as far as Scorchio this early in the year or
yes.
not? Oh,
yes, certainly today, Scorchio, for the time of year, 28, 29, wow. Dan. That's really warm. The average top to bottom is about 14 to 18.
Scorchio is out on the 20th of May.
I love the first deployment of Scorchio, Carol. Thank you.